Bentleys are critical, yet potentially not for the explanation you're thinking. Open a Bentayga's entryway and at about a similar time you complete the process of wondering about how the heaviness of the entryway coasts through its detents, outpours the smell. Fragrance is the sense our cerebrums interface most to memory, and when you endure a shot of a Bentayga S with its cowhide seats. Main event, an instrument board. Your hippocampus sends you back to that birthday when you got another wallet. Assuming that wallet is currently overstuffed with cash, you could possibly manage the cost of a Bentayga S like our $269,865 test vehicle. The S means the energetic form that accompanies gleam dark outside trim, and a sport mode that drops the air springs down to their second most minimal setting. Envision André the Giant hunkering down, and afterward salute yourself for having a clear creative mind. Consolidating elating execution with stunning craftsmanship, the Bentayga is a SUV without settling. You can drive it any place, from city roads to the open street, and then some. Furthermore, with the decision of seating designs including 4-seat, 5-seat, and 7-seat choices, you can take everybody and everything with you. 4 models are accessible in the Bentayga range: the quintessential Bentayga, the strong Bentayga S, the marvelously strong Bentayga Speed, and the extravagant Bentayga Azure. Loaded with innovation intended to help each tenant's prosperity, ideal for business, recreation, and in the middle between, the Bentayga is an extravagance SUV like no other. Power on demand. There are 3 powertrains accessible in the Bentayga range, contingent upon which model you pick. Select the Bentayga Azure or Bentayga S and you will appreciate exciting execution because of a 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 petroleum motor. With the Bentayga model you can pick either a similar V8 motor or a 3.0-liter petroleum half and half. For the people who need a definitive in power, in any case, the choice is simple: the Bentayga Speed, based on Bentley's remarkable 6.0-liter W12 petroleum motor. Each Bentayga highlights dynamic all-wheel drive, with all V8 and W12 models profiting from Bentley Dynamic Ride and Imaginative electronic enemy of roll framework that makes changes consequently because of driving circumstances. It assists keep the lodge with corralling while cornering at speed, while additionally lessening vibrations and further developing ride quality on the open street. Offering outrageous execution with no think twice about solace or common sense, the Bentayga is worked for each street and for places without any streets whatsoever. You can commission a Bentayga or Bentayga S in any of 7 standard tones, with the decision ascending to 16 for the Bentayga Speed or Bentayga Azure. The drawn-out range enlarges that decision to around 60 tones, in addition to coupled tone choices and Mulliner paints. The blackline specification turns every one of the splendidly completed outside subtleties dark, bar the Bentley lettering and wing identifications. The styling specification goes significantly further, adding a full carbon fiber body pack for extra street presence. Inside, you can look over a scope of conventional serious shine wood facade or contemporary new open pore choices that utilization less veneer. Specialized, non-wood choices are likewise accessible, for example, carbon fiber and dark tint diamond brushed aluminum. You might in fact pick the wonderful new piano linen by Mulliner finish on the belt and waist rails. The color specification gives you much more concealed varieties to browse, while the rich leather specifications supplant the fabric-managed region of the lodge with calfskin. This is just the beginning. Hillets you can add in corporate picnic tables, mounted on the backs of the front seats, state-of-mind lighting, and enlightened tread plates. The front seat comfort specification adds ventilation and back rub capabilities to the front seats, close by flexible pad and backrest supports, and wing solace headrests. The 4-seat comfort specification gives both of you completely highlighted back seats, in addition to a lavish mid-control area toward the front and the back of the lodge.